The new steel turning inserts GC4425 and GC4415 are refined in every aspect. The best aspect from each technology enables them to outperform and help you gain an edge in steel turning. The second-generation Inveio coating technology improves wear resistance and offers a massive increase in tool life of up to 25%. The new substrates offer a unique combination of good toughness and resistance against plastic deformation. New post-treatment enhances performance in intermittent cutting operations, avoiding any sudden breakages. The result? More pieces per edge, up to 25% more. Higher machine utilization with predictable performance. Minimize material waste. Faster metal removal without compromising tool life. Optimized tool inventory. Reliable, secure, and cost-effective machining. So why wait? Gain an edge in steel turning. Switch to GC4415 and GC4425 now.